Yes, skepticism aside, it's finally here. The Goodereader x BIGME GALY. This is not only the first e-ink gallery e-note, but it's the first e-ink gallery consumer available product ever. 8-inch gallery screen, dual camera, dual front light, voice to text, handwriting conversion, split screen mode, and open Android 11 with Wacom support. It's exciting, it's new, it's fresh, and it's here. Nicely wrapped in plastic with a very nice box. You can see we went with the BIGME logo up top, of course, just for you, and the Goodereader logo down below, and this little beautiful regal signia surrounding everything. All of this will kind of change in the back end. We are going to apply a sticker here when it comes to the final product, but it will be overall the same kind of layout as it stands right now. We're going to slide this open and see what we have inside. Just for you, BIGME's little kind of recent slogan. Open this up like so. We have a foam insert here and the unit itself. Because this is so exciting, we're going to put this off right to the side just for a second because we're going to explore the rest of the box. So right here is a documentation package. You can go ahead and rip this open like that. This will have your quick start guide, your warranty card, all of your regulatory information, and all of your information regarding the actual unit, and it is in multiple languages. Put that all off to the side. Let's see the pen. Opening the pen box opens like so, should have two little tabs, and then should slide out like that. It is the A line of pen that the ink note color uses by us, and it is a little bit different than the standard pen because it does have that 2-pin copper contact point that is eligible to have it charged on the side, and not just a magnet snap. Although it does have a magnet snap, it is a little different than the standard one that doesn't have that connector. Let's look at the device itself now, because this is monumental, and I must add, coming in at the last possible minute before 2022 ends. Look how crisp and vibrant that color is right out of the gates. This is an ever so slightly sky blue backing, and you can see it against our pure white table here that we do our tests on. It is a little bit of a blue tinge. You have the camera at the front there, and you have a rear facing camera, and it offers the same color scheme as the ink note color. A little bit will change when it comes to logoing, potentially when it comes down to the final package. You have 2 speakers on the side. Up top you have quad microphones for voice dictation, and you have a power button right there with fingerprint sensor. You have the snap for the charging of the pen, and the SD card at the bottom with a USB-C. Of course, we will do a full review on this, but you can see it has that gallery style of dithering and it refreshes. Now, this isn't the way it's going to be in its final form, and in fact, there are multiple ways to change it. You can see it looks very faded right now, and that's because this is in a top fast mode, which actually speeds up the performance of the unit. If you turn it to normal mode, this is going to get rid of that background and just be pure white, so that you are able to get the purest colors and the whitest background, but it's going to be a little bit slower. You also have the ability to go over here and choose black and white, and unlike Kaleido, you're actually able to get rid of the colors in the background. So black and white strips the device of all the actual colors and just gives you an actual black and white appearance when it comes to the text itself. You can also go to here and press the refresh anytime you wish to clean everything up, and you can go back to this e-ink center where you can change the dark enhancement, the vivid enhancement, and change everything along the way. Obviously it looks better in normal mode, and you do see that full refresh. That's the way gallery works. It needs to do that full kind of wipe with a multi-stage dither in order to clear the background of any remaining colors to give you the best possible experience like that. All of this is going to be fixed with an OTA, over-the-air update, and it will look top-notch when it comes down to the final product. Let's take notes super quick before we wrap up. A lot of people had concerns that it wasn't going to be as fast as Kaleido, and overall it is about the same speed, but the latency is ridiculously low, which means it's very quick. If you see, we create a new page here, and I draw on the page. There's no camera trickery here. It is indeed an actual latency speed test. You can very much tell that it is extremely quick and the colors have absolutely no problem with showing up. We can go to a new page and wrap up the video by just writing out, "Thank you all for watching." And this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Goodereader X BIGME GALY, the world's first gallery e-ink product on the entire planet. This is monumental. This is the first one of its kind, and it's coming right at you. Will be available next year, and obviously we will be getting into a full review in the weeks to come. For Goodereader.com, this is Peter.